Welcome to MATLAB. You're with Nawinmanii. In this video, we are going to introduce the chapter called quadratic equation. Let us introduce it. First of all, let us know what variable is. Variable is something whose value is unknown. In mathematics, it is denoted by x, y, etc. So here we have one equation. When there is equal to sign in an expression, that is called an equation, and if the variable has the highest power 1, then that is called a linear equation in one variable, because there is only one variable. Linear equation where the highest power of the variable is 1. In the second, we can see that x square minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in one variable, because there is only one variable x, and since the highest power of the variable is square 2, so it is called quadratic equation since the highest power is 2. Now the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. First x square, then x, then number, then is equal to 0, where a cannot be equal to 0. Why? Because if a is 0, then 0 into x square gives you 0. There will be no x square term involved in this equation. There will be only x term, so it will be converted into a linear equation then. So a cannot be equal to 0 in a quadratic equation. In this equation, the constant a, constant means a number a, which is in front of x square, is called the coefficient of x square. Okay, similarly the number b, which is in front of x, is called the coefficient of x, and similarly c, which is in front of x to the power 0, is called the coefficient of x to the power 0. C is called the coefficient of x to the power 0. Okay, now for example, we have one question: x square plus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. In this equation, 1 is the coefficient of x square, plus 5 is the coefficient of x, and 2 is the coefficient of x to the power 0. Similarly, in this equation, 2 is the coefficient of x square, minus 3 is the coefficient of x, and minus 5 is the coefficient of x to the power